Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can send the fax messages from your OnePlus 11. So at the start we have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them. I'm always using the EasyFax. Now you have to add the permissions to the camera, decide do you want to take a notification, I don't need to, and grant a permission to files. Now if you want to choose your document, click on this little plus and select the source of your document. You can choose something from download files, import something from the gallery, just take a photo of your document. I will take something from my gallery now. Just open the folder that you want and select the desired photo. You can also select more than one. If you're ready, click import. Now you can add just a shape to your document, and if you're ready, click arrow. Now just select the filter to make it more visible for your receiver, and you can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. So if you're ready, click accept and type a number here. Remember to choose the country, of course, and optionally you can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus again and do it like before. But if you want to only send the documents from this list, click here, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.